Hey, what's up, guys? Manufacturer sent me this wire wheel for free so I could try it out, let you know what I think about it. So I just want to give you a quick demo. I have this pair of channel locks here that I've left out in the rain a few too many times and they're all rusty. So I'm going to use this wheel to knock down some of this rust. Come in and check it out. So after only a couple seconds, we went to this, and this is what we started with. So definitely works really good. Great product. If you make sure you can see the before and afters here, it did exactly what it's supposed to do. So great product.